Didn't you just go back to QE? So we're talking about the FOMC's decision to cut interest rates and to resume quantitative easing, something that I have maintained was inevitable. And actually, I had expected the Fed to return to that well sooner than it did. So it managed to hold off for a long time. But clearly, once it made the decision, it didn't waste any time. Right. I know immediately when they decided that they were going to end quantitative tightening, that it meant they were getting ready for quantitative easing. But even I didn't know that it would almost happen at the exact same time. But that is what, in fact, happened. Then there were not nearly enough questions about this. In fact, I didn't think anybody who asked the question mentioned the fact that, isn't this like QE? Didn't you just go back to QE? What do you mean you're doing this solely to maintain ample reserves? And of course, if you're fighting inflation, why would you do this? How are you going to do that when inflation is 3% and you're cutting rates and you're printing money? You are interjecting monetary stimulus into an economy when inflation is already too hot and moving in the wrong direction. Right? So how are they confident that inflation is going to go down to 2%? They should have zero confidence that that's going to happen.